If your Megaminx is falling apart and you're looking for a way to put it back together, look no further because this is the video for you. Today I'm going to teach you how to reassemble the Megaminx. So let's get started. This right here is the fully disassembled Megaminx. These are the center pieces. These with 2 colors over here are the edge pieces. And these with 3 colors are the corner pieces. Now I'm going to put this back together and I'm going to guide you through step by step. So I personally like to solve starting with the white face, but you can start with any face you like. So over here, to start with white, I'm going to find some white edge pieces. So here's one white edge piece over here. It's got white and red on it. So I'm going to place this edge piece right here between white and red. I'm just going to slot it in just like this. Now for my next step, I'm going to try and find one piece, an edge piece with either white and blue or white and green. So over here, looking through, here I found a piece with white and blue. So I'm going to place this piece over here. And now I have to put these 2 pieces and I have to join them together. And to do that, I'm going to use a corner piece. So I'm finding the corner piece with white, red, and blue. And that is over here. So I'm just going to place this piece in between these 2, like so. And now this part is complete. Let's now repeat that action over and over until the first face is complete. So now white and yellow, and the next corner piece. And then I can find white and purple. And its corresponding corner piece. And now, for the last side, I can find white and green. And its corresponding corner pieces. And like that, we finished solving our entire first face. Now we can use this face as our base and place this downward and continue solving from there. Next, let's place edge pieces in all of these places over here and build up like that. Let me find some edge pieces that go over there. So here's one over here, blue and red. I'm just going to place this in between over here. And here's green and red. And now we're just going to complete that stage. Now we've solved that entire step. And by doing so, we've established a base on our Megaminx. From there, everything is pretty simple until we've got a couple of complications on the last step. But all we've got to do is, as I said before, simply find edge pieces and place them in between the corresponding center pieces, and then just round it off with corner pieces until we get to the last step. So I'm just going to do all of that right now and just follow along. Now we've reached the final stage of the Megaminx. Our process is a little different. So here's what we do. First, place an edge piece, like so. Then we place a corner piece, as you can see over here. In this case, we don't have to bear the pain of having to fit in corner pieces after the entire top face is filled up with edge pieces. And now let's place this edge piece in and roll the Megaminx face back up. Now for the other corner piece. And now the final 2 pieces. These 2 pieces will be the hardest to place in the entire Megaminx. Okay, that piece is set. And now for the last corner piece. I'm gonna try and open up this Megaminx as much as possible. And then put the piece in. And there, we're done. We've reassembled the entire Megaminx. Well, that was it. We just reassembled the entire Megaminx. Now, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.